Good.
And my dear friends, I am the class of 5 and I am the 5A. We are the students of the public school.
In the presence of sunlight only it happens. So when it loses sunlight, so what happens? It absorbs all the carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. In the night time it does not get the sun rays. So what happens? It does not form oxygen. So every time it releases carbon dioxide. What is injurious for us? So during the night time, the plant and trees do not release oxygen. They release carbon dioxide, which is harmful for us. That's why the parents always say to their children that do not sleep during the night. Okay? हम आपके एज में थे तो इस पर जाते थे दुर्गा पूजा देखने। हाँ बताइए क्या है ये?
Whose hard essence of life I with the care and dedication because of my effort the food is coming on the table. I am the vital part of the society. I work tirelessly to ensure the food security of society. So respect my work and enjoy
Now I am giving you, just you listen it. These two are your mother and father. This is completely a family. Okay? This is one bill, your academics. This is another bill. There are other activities what you enjoy. If both the wheels are properly working, then only this family will grow, will move ahead. If there is any imbalance, it cannot move ahead. So that's why there must be good balance between your activities and your academic work. So studies are important as well as the sports, other activities. Then only the family will grow. Your parents are giving everything of their life for you. They are shouldering all your problems. You need to keep the balance so that the family take care of it.
from class 7. So, today we are going to revisit a model on the topic greenery versus dot. These are my fellow classmates which are going to explain. I am going to explain the greenery part of the model. The greenery part shows the water, life and all the trees. The plants give us oxygen, cool air and brings rain. Environment helps plants and animals and human beings to survive. Greenery keeps soil fertile. The dry land is
The dry land, how it is harmful for the living creatures. That's why they are dying. And that is that this all such the smoke what they are releasing is harmful for dry land. It's fallen dry. Okay, and they are harmful for the greenery. That's why this area has become and affecting the life. They are not getting
This is a greenhouse which traps the sunlight with the help of its glasses and helps the plant to grow properly in very cold places. So, in the same way, there are some gases in our environment like carbon dioxide, water vapor, which trap the same sunlight and makes our planet hot. And due to that, global warming occurs. And the major cause of it, like the smoke from the thermal power plants and other plants, factories, not means everyone, but some factories. And due to that, our ecosystem gets harmed. And to save that, we need to simply replace these things by eco-friendly things, solar panels, and
So this
wind energy.
greenhouse effect, what you are showing, it is only in the hilly area
No,
or
sir,
the cold
I am
area?
showing it.
No, that is there. That is you have utilized the sun ray for the proper growth of the plant and trees. That is there. In our the normal condition, now it is the area. Do you find that is there anything which is working like a greenhouse effect?
Yes, sir.
In the general, how to global warming, what is global warming?
That means
Here you have put the glass or something like that. But in the environment there is nothing like that. So
it's
what?
carbon dioxide, which is absorbed from the sun.
Then
Then means we use vehicles, we use
Okay,
factories,
then what
and due to that, the smoke of all carbon dioxide and all that comes out. And due to that, the means heat we radiate, the heat which Earth reflects, it absorbs it, and it causes global warming due to the increase of carbon dioxide. Global warming.
in the gaseous form and gaseous form it cannot go up and up.
So it can go, but it's increasing also now. We are continuing, or we are only.
Have you done that ozone layer?
Yes, sir.
Huh? This ozone layer, that is created. Okay, this is getting stuck over there and not allowing the heat to go through. Okay, that's बताइए हाँ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग
survive and purify air and make it clean.
It does not have the water, it does not grow green and